Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tayyaba Science Center. So today I am going to discuss MCQs on heterocyclic compounds which are pyridine, indole, quinoline and isoquinoline. So this is the part 3, part 1 and part 2 I uploaded before. So if you haven't watched it yet, do watch. The link is in description box. So let's continue with this video. Our first question is the molecular formula of pyridine is. So our correct option is option number C, and this is the structure of pyridine. Next question. Pyridine form dash with acids like HCl, alcohol, alkane, salt, both B and C. So our correct option is option number C, salts. Next question. Hybridization of nitrogen atom in pyridine is sp3, sp2, sp, sp3d. So our correct option is option number B, sp2. Next question. Pyridine undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation to form 3-acetylpyridine, 5-acetylpyridine, both A and B, and D, none of the above. So our correct option is option number D, none of the above, because pyridine doesn't undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next question. The number of resonating structures formed by pyridine are 3, 4, 5, 6. So our correct option is option number C, which is 5, and these are the resonating structures of pyridine. So they are 5 in number. Next question. 2 molecules of acetylene react with dash to form pyridine. Option number A, NH3, second NaNH2, 3 HCN, or D, all of them. So our correct option is option number C, HCN. This is one of the methods to prepare pyridine. Next question. Nitration in pyridine occurs at position number 2, 3, 4, 5. So our correct option for this question is option number B, 3, because electrophilic substitution in pyridine occur at position number 3. Next question. The above reaction is known as Gutermann-Koch synthesis, Gomberg reaction, Chichi-Babin reaction. So our correct option is option number C, Chichi-Babin reaction, because the reagent we are using here is used in Chichi-Babin reaction, and the addition of NH2 group occurs. Next question. Nucleophilic substitution in pyridine occurs at position number 2, 3, 4, both A and C. So our correct option is option number D, both A and C. Next question. Pyridine undergoes reduction to form pyrrolidine, piperidine, perhydrazine, both B and C. So the correct option of this question is option number D, both B and C, because piperidine and perhydrazine are same thing. Next question. The given structure is known as indole, benzopyrrole, both A and B, and none of the above. So the correct option is option number C, both A and B, because a benzopyrrole is another name of indole. Next question. Madelung synthesis mechanism is used to synthesize quinoline, isoquinoline, indole, benzofuran. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, indole. Next question. The molecular formula of quinoline is C9H79, C7H69, C10H89, or none of the above. So the correct option is C9H79, and this is the structure of quinoline. Next question. Which derivative of indole gets synthesized in Bichler synthesis? Alkyl derivative, vinyl derivative, phenyl derivative, or none of them. So the correct option is option number C, phenyl derivative, because in Bichler synthesis addition of phenyl occurs at position number 2 in indole, and it is a mechanism of synthesis of indole also. Next question. Which one of them is not a method of synthesis of quinoline? Scrop synthesis, Dobner-Miller synthesis, Bichler-Napier-Lensky synthesis, Friedlander synthesis. So this option number C is not a method of synthesis of quinoline, because this is the method of synthesis of isoquinoline. Next question. Electrophilic substitution in quinoline occurs at position number 3, 5, 8, or both B and C. So our correct option is option number D, both B and C. Next question. The difference in structure of quinoline and isoquinoline is due to difference in ring size, difference in carbon number, difference in nitrogen number, and difference in position of nitrogen. So our correct option is option number D, difference in position of nitrogen, because in quinoline, nitrogen is present at position number 1, and in isoquinoline, nitrogen is present at position number 2. Next question. Isoquinoline undergoes Birch reduction to form 1,2-dihydroisoquinoline, 1,2,3,4-tetrahydroisoquinoline, octahydroisoquinoline, or all of them. So the correct option is option number A, 1,2-dihydroisoquinoline, and this isoquinoline reacts in the presence of tin and HCl to form 1,2,3,4-tetrahydroisoquinoline, and in the presence of platinum and acetic acid it forms octahydroisoquinoline. Next question. The above reaction is used to synthesize. So if you look at the structure of a product, this is the structure of isoquinoline, and this mechanism is also known as Bichler-Napier-Lensky synthesis, which is used to synthesize isoquinoline. So our correct option is option number B. Next question and last. The heteroatom present in benzofuran is nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, none of them. So from furan you can guess the heteroatom present in this structure is oxygen. So that's all for today, and do like, subscribe and share with your friends, and thanks for watching.